Dear viewers, here I present you the task manager, in which we have two tables, projects and task list. This is Notion interface. I will share you this task manager and you can use the task manager in template form for your own tasks. So we have projects and task list. First we will create a project. We will create two projects, software and book project. Book is the book I am planning to read. Software is the software I am trying to learn. So now I will go into the details. In the task list, I will add React course and I will click on the projects column. It will populate here book and software. I will select software and here the count is incremented and the task list here in this column is updated to React course. I will add one more task, hyper focus. This is the name of the book I am planning to read. In the projects column I will select book. So here the count incremented and hyper focus is listed here as well in projects table as well. Now this is the basic understanding of what it does, and now we will try to create another view in the task list. It will be table format. I will rename it software projects tasks. So we have not done task, software task and all done tasks. Done tasks. Done task will be listed here once I click the done checkbox here. So currently I am interested in grouping software tasks. I will add a edit view and add a filter. Here I see projects. I will click projects and in projects I will select software. So now in this view we see React course doing under the project software. I will be doing the React course under the project software. Not the task will list all tasks that are not done. And this is all done tasks which has no task currently listed. Suppose if I click hyper focus here, done. So here the task count is 0 now, since I have not done task count is 0 because I have already read the book hyper focus, and I can see it here hyper focus listed under projects book.